back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get all the latest information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about a very amazing variant out here from HP series out there. HP series की बात करें तो one of the most amazing and really worth watching and using variant out here. And today we are going to talk about HP EliteBook 2540P out here. A very interesting model out here, a very interesting gadget out here, not just because of the structurality but because of the internal functions it has, all the internal components it produces. Everything is really amazing out here. Talking about the laptop series, then we can see that the HP laptop series are quite amazing out here. Yes, definitely you find this really amazing out. And when we say this variant, then it has got a platform which is really interesting. That is Intel vPro technology. Yes, the platform internal technology it is using is Intel vPro technology out there. So this is really good and amazing version out there being used in this version. Apart from that, what kind of sectors especially use this kind of a variant? Like usually laptops are for every kind of a sector, for students, corporate, business, small business, big platforms, everything can be used. But this kind of specified version, if we talk about HP EliteBook series, and if you talk about this variant, then we can say that this has been specially designed to be used by the corporate world. Yes, by the corporate world, I mean all the working sectors out here. So they can definitely use all this variant. Having a very good security chip system, it offers you a good security chip system in it. That's wonderful news out here because offering you TPM 1.2 security chip system is really an amazing version out here. Apart from that, it offers you Windows operating system. That's definitely a great functionality. Windows operating system is being used out here. Along with that, if you talk about the chip systems, processing systems out there, if you talk about processor, which kind of processor it is using, then it offers you Intel Core i7 out here. Yes, it is using Intel Core i7 out here, which is really good. You might customize it accordingly. Yes, there are few gadgets, there are few laptops out here which can be customized easily out here. So yes, you can try out if it is possible to customize it. It is offered back from the company itself, then it can be customized. Talking about this variant, then it offers you a max turbo speed of 2.93 gigahertz. So this is very good speed out here. Turbo speed is really good, 2.9 gigahertz. Whereas the normal speed, if you talk about the normal speed of the CPU, then it offers you 2.13 gigahertz. So which is also good, we can say. Not very bad, not very good. But yes, that's as compared to max turbo speed, it is very good out here. It offers you dual core system with L3 cache uh, memory out here. Cache memory की बात करें, if you talk about the cache memory, then it offers you L3 4 MB out here. So this is really good out there. Apart from that, Windows operating system is in 64 bytes out here, so which is really good. And if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you a good range of you can say chip system, power efficiency. If we talk about power efficiency, then it does not require high voltage out here. Yes, it can work on low voltage also. That's why we said that it is best for the corporate world out here. Whereas the chipset, if you talk about the, because the processing system does not work alone, it works with the chipset out here. So it works great with mobile Intel out here Express, which is QM57. This works very well out with it. Along with that, if you talk about the internal features, then the internal systems which also has in it, that is Intel Turbo Boost technology. Whereas we have seen where there are many models with uh, threading technologies or the boost technology 1.2 out here, or memory automobile technology, like these kind of technologies we have seen in few gadgets. But yes, HP has Intel Turbo Boost technology out here internally, which helps to boost the speed out here. Apart from that, this 4 MB cache speed tells us that it can be easily stored out, and cache memory is really good, not bad out here at all. Whereas if we talk about the cache memory, then we cannot neglect out the RAM memory out here. Yes, RAM memory plays an important, or we can say a very important role in every gadget out here. Yes, it plays a very important role in every gadget. Talking about the RAM out here, then RAM has got an installed size of 2 GB, which is very good. Like 2 GB installed size is really good out there. It is not at all bad. Whereas if you talk about the speed, or we talk about the memory speed, rated memory speed out here, then it offers you 1333 megahertz memory speed. So overall, the speed says that you can have a very good memory speed out here. The rotational speed, you can say, or the RAM speed, whatever you would like to mention it is very good out here. 1333 megahertz is definitely a good version out here. Whereas the RAM type, if we talk about what kind of RAM it is being used, what kind of RAM do you see in this variant? You get to see that it offers you DDR3 RAM out here. Yes, this time you get to see DDR3 RAM in this variant. Not DDR4, no DDR3L. These kind of variants are also available in the market. But definitely it offers you DDR3 RAM out here. Whereas RAM is not alone out there. Yes, RAM is always not alone. It always works with the storage, internal storage, that is the hard drive. So it offers you a, we can say, a different kind of a storage out here. Yes, this offers you a different kind of a storage out there, which is really good and a must try technology out. So it offers you a storage of 160 GB. Yes, this is the hard drive storage offered out here. That is 160 GB out here. It is not in the form of SSD now. It is in the form of HDD. That is the hard drive storage form out here. So it is offering you great storage. Talking about the storage, then we can say that there is a spindle speed involved in it. What does the spindle speed mean? This clearly means that what kind of rotation it has to take so that the working goes on very well. The output is given out in the best format. Then it offers you 5400 RPM spindle speed. So the speed is quite good out here. You will not find that speed is definitely not low. This is good out here. 5400 RPM is really good. Whereas we are talking about the speed, this technology, RAM out here, we cannot neglect out the fact that it offers you a external expandable maximum support size out here. Like it has got expandability also. You have got two slots for RAM. There are two different slots for RAM, and each slot offers you a great expandability. Whereas the maximum support size could be said that it offers you 8 GB maximum support size. So internally, it has already 2 GB RAM. Externally, you have two slots, so you can definitely expand it up to 8 GB maximum support size which it offers. Because one slot offers you 2 GB, and pairing out that, it offers you approximately 8 GB maximum support size. That is really good, and a most important thing that it offers you great range of storage. Like you get to have a great storage in the hard drive, in the RAM quality. Talking about the storage out here, does it offers you a optical drive storage also, like the DVD write-ups out here or the expandable write-ups out there? Does it offers that also? Then we can say that it definitely offers a optical drive technology interface out there. It offers you this kind of a technology, but it does not mean that it offers you a optical drive out there. Yes, it does not offer optical drive, but interface optically drived out is offered out here. Whereas read, speed write, and these kind of technologies could be seen, and it is a portable. Like you can have an attached hard drive out here, not the DVD write-ups and the hard drive write-ups out there. These kind of things are optical and removable out here. Whereas if we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is offering you some environmental parameters also. What are these environmental parameters? What does this environment parameter means? We already know that Apple is one of the most amazing variant out in smartphones. If you talk on laptops, PCs, these kind of, because they always include the external environmental parameters in it. Like, does their equipment harm environment in any way or not? So this kind of things are also checked out in most of the laptops now. So does the HP does. What does HP do? It checks out the optimization of its gadget. Yes, the optimization of its gadget. Now, what does this mean? It clearly means that whether your gadget can sustain the harsh conditions which we are living in, like the humidities, shock therapies out there, the tolerance to temperature, vibrations out there, the external factors which are included in our environment. So these kind of things. Like if you talk about the humidity range operating out there, if you talk about what kind of humidity range it will still operate, it offers you 10 to 90% humidity range. मतलब इतनी humidity होने के बाद भी it can work very well. If you talk about the shock tolerance, then it has got a really amazing shock tolerance. It offers you 125 grams of the impulse operating system, whereas 200 grams non-operating impulse system out there. So when it is being operating, it is also well. When it's not operating, it's working really good out there. Vibration tolerance could be seen out there. So these are the external parameters which are involved in the working testing out there for every gadget. So external parameters हो गए, external environment parameters हो गए, storage हो गई. What about the screen it has? What kind of the screen it does it have? It offers you LED backlight display. The display it offers you is LED backlight display along with a wide screen size, anti-glance feature, as well as it offers you a resolution which is WXGA out here. So this kind of resolution is also seen out in this variant. You get to see a very good variation, you get to see very good version out there. Apart from that, if you talk about the screen size, then it offers you 30.7 centimeter screen size. Overall, the screen size is quite good. 30.7 centimeter screen size is really good out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that screen is good, or we can say resolution is good, everything is good. How about the audio and video in it? Because audio video also plays an important role when we come to webcam integrations, multimedia integrations out there. Talking about the audio video, it has got a graphics out there which is offered by Intel. Intel SG graphics could be seen out in this variant. So this is really good and an amazing version. To check out that Intel SG graphics could be seen out in this version. Along with that, it offers you dynamic video memory technology 5. Yes, it offers you dynamic video memory technology 5 along with the integrated webcam, stereotype speakers, microphones, very good sound quality out here. These kind of things could be seen out in this variant. Apart from that, if you talk about the keyboard, then it has got a touchpad, it has got functional keys, arrow keys, all the necessary keys out here have been placed in this variant in a very organized way that it should be. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a good communication, that is the connectivity out here with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth out there. You talk about the drives out there, USB connectors, power connectors, audio input output jacks out there. These kind of things could also be seen in this variant. Apart from that, it offers you a portable slot for DVD write-ups. Yes, a portable slot for DVD write-ups could be seen here, which can be easily removed, carried out along with you. So these kind of things could be seen out in this variant along with other specifications. Apart from that, if you talk about the modem which it is using, like it can be attached with a fax. Yes, it can be attached with fax monitor out here, which is compatible out there. Apart from that, it does not offer you any floppy disk, that is the permanent attachment, that is not out here. Card reader could be seen out, as we already know USB card readers are allowed in every laptop and it needs that so that you can use it. Apart from these things, a battery is an important part or integral part of every gadget because it determines the weight, it determines the heaviness, lightness, everything is determined by that. Talking about the battery, it offers you up to 6 cells battery life out there. Along with that, it offers you 8 hours run timing. Yes, it offers you 8 hours run timing in it so that you can have a good working experience. Apart from that, it offers you some internal inbuilt functions also. Yes, HP allows some inbuilt functions also, and let us talk about these internal functions out here. Talking about these internal functions, we can say that it offers you ambient light sensor. Yes, it offers you ambient light sensor, a good chip system out here, some inbuilt apps out there. You get to see some guide drives out there. You get to see HP's viewer keys out there, enhanced drive locks. You get to see night lights out there. You get to see management technology inbuilt in. So there are few apps which have already been inbuilt in it. You also get to see that it offers you few inbuilt Microsoft softwares out there, like you get to see pre-installed or loaded images, few inbuilt Microsoft apps out here. So these kind of things could be seen in this variant out, which is really good. It offering you great technology. Like you can say this offers you a great technology out here. Now, when it is offering you these kind of technologies, so let us talk about the pricing also. Let us talk about pricing, and for that, let us visit this site. The site name is just at click.com. Yes, the site name is just at click.com. This site offers you amazing products, amazing gadgets out here, and you get to see that this gadget out here offers a great pricing. Along with it, you also get to see that this site offers you customizability option. What does this customizability means? It clearly means that it offers you an option where you can customize your RAM, Windows, storage according to the set available in the market. Yes, definitely. If it's available, then you get to see that gadget. Now let us search this model out here in the search bar so that we get to see our favorite gadgets in a very limited or very we can say very format or compressed way. So let us type about the full entire name so that it's easy for it. So this is the result for our search, and we get to see that this variant offers a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. As well as you get to see that this HP Elite book has a condition written here that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and see what is refurbished product all about. Talking about refurbished products, as we know that refurbished word, this word itself means creating something new like. Yes, this word means creating something new like, or from the old things or the distorted things, we can create something absolutely new like, brand new like as it was earlier. Now, what does this refurbished and brand new product majorly differs out, or we can say, does there is any difference in the structurality, functionalities out there? No, there is no difference in the structurality out here. There is no difference in the functionality. Everything remains constant out here. You will find that the structure, the design, everything is same. Whereas if you talk about the functionality difference, there is no difference in the functionality. They offer you the same function as they offered when they were brand new. And in fact, they are quite good that they have been repolished out, they are polished again, and they are created newly like. So this is what all refurbished is about. Now there is a major difference that refurbished and brand new products offers out. There is a major difference, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? Pre-ownization is nothing else but a gadget being pre-owned, which has been once used. This is what there is a major difference out there lies. Now, when we talk about brand new products, they are directly from the company into the market. So there has to be no doubt that it can be pre-owned or has been used once. No, there is no as such thing involved in this. But when we talk about refurbished products, then there is something related to this. Refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets which are resold by the original users. Yes, they are being resold out so that it can be reused or another person can use it. That is what a product is called refurbished. This refurbished does not mean that it is not being tested or it can be damaged out. It is not like that. It is something related to the testimoniality. Now, talking about the testimoniality, let us first talk about the passage, how it is taken out in the market. Talking about the passage, there comes the base, mediator, and the consumer. Base is nothing else but the person or the company which owns that gadget first. Every brand new product is owned by the company itself, as we already know. That company owns that gadget. Now the company wants to bring that gadget into the marketplace, that is the mediator, and wants to sell it to the users. Then it has to be brought in the marketplace. Now, this marketplace is nothing else but the sites, online, offline sites, everywhere where you get to purchase or have your gadgets from. Now, when you have your gadgets, when you take your gadgets, then it is sold off to the users by the market owners. Now, this is what happens out in the market. This is for the brand new product. Now, what happens in the refurbished product? You have your gadget, you have used that gadget. Now, you want to not use it and you want to resell it. Now what you will do? Then it is being resold to the marketplace. Now this user in the brand new becomes the companion or the base, or you can say the pre-owner of that gadget. Yes, this becomes the owner of that gadget. Now what happens? This wants to resell, then it is brought in the marketplace. That has to be tested and verified. Everything has to be done. Now it is being resold to the users. That is the new user out here that is being resold. Now when we talk about this marketplace, testimoniality, pre-ownization, what is the major difference out here? The major difference lies in the test place. Yes, the major difference lies in the test place out here. How? Companies before launching any gadget in the market has to test every particular gadget out there, every single test. Then it is brought into the market out there. Whereas in marketplace, what happens, that gadget is being pre-owned. When it is brought in the market for reselling, that has to be tested at that time before launching it into that particular site. Now this lies the difference out here, another difference out there. Companies, the original brand new products are tested out on various sites out there. There are particular sites where each and every parameter are checked, like whether design, battery, connectivity, integrity, everything has to be checked out. Whereas in refurbished products, the site itself checks that product, verifies that product, and launches on their own site. This is what the major difference in the testing place lies. Now, when we talk about the test has been done, the marketplace is being used, it is sold off to the user. What are these tests involving? What kind of parameters are involved? What kind of things have been involved in this test parameters? The place is different, so what kind of tests are there? These tests are nothing else but they are the same tests which are used in the brand new products. Yes, the products which are used or the parameters which have been used in brand new are the parameters used out in the, we can say, refurbished. These parameters include the external and internal parameters. The external parameters includes nothing else but the parameters like display, design, scratches, buttons intactness, jack points out there, touchpad if it has, touch screen if it has, integrated camera, so camera quality out there. Everything has to be checked, like externally, which you can see or check through your eyes, which does not require any kind of external equipment, you can say, or any external device or any kind of software is not required. So external parameters are those. And after you check the external parameters, it comes to the internal parameters. These internal parameters are nothing else, but these internal parameters includes all the internal components like the CPU, processor, chip system out there, memory storage, yes, the internal storage, RAM storage, cache storage out there, speed of RAM, spindle speed out there, processing speed out there, graphical paths, graphical speed, as well as the connectivity out there, the resolution out there, or even the if it has anti-glance, then that has to be checked. If it had HD display, then that has to be checked. Resolutions in every aspect it has to check. If it is offering you data connectivity, then what kind of connectivity is there? Bluetooth connectivity, then what kind of Bluetooth connectivity? power backup out there, battery life has to be checked. So everything has to be checked, which needs uh, any specialized software or equipments to verify that particular segment or that particular element out there. So that has to be used. Now, once that product is verified, external and internal parameters have been checked. It is certified as a refurbished product because now it is in good quality. It offers you good service. It can be offered to be reused. Yes, this offers a good service, so it can be reused. But what would happen if it fails in any one test or there is any damage in it? It has to be replaced. Yes, that has to be replaced. Now, once it is replaced, it is not with any unknown part or from any fake parts out there. It has to be replaced with the original parts from the company itself, along with the accessories it provides. Yes, every gadget is provided with the accessories out there. Along with that, if you see any visible damage out there, that has to be rechecked and has to be verified and has to be corrected. If you see there is any scratch out there, that has to be checked and verified and has to be repolished. So every single point has to be checked so that it becomes absolutely brand new like. So this is the major thing which involves in this, that it has to be verified and modified into a brand new product if there is any damage out there. Now, there has been some advantages. There must be some advantages that we are using refurbished products over brand new. The major advantages of having a refurbished product or the benefits are that it offers you pocket friendly rates. It offers you pocket friendly rates. What does this mean? It means that brand new products are slightly expensive. Yes, you get to see that there are slightly high pricing for brand new products, whereas the refurbished products are actually quite pocketable, or we can say they are less expensive as compared to brand new. This comes to the second point, which allows us to save a great savings. Yes, you can save a great savings when you have a refurbished product. What happens is, when you have a refurbished product, then you can save a good amount of savings because there is a difference in the pricing. There is a difference in the price difference. Helps us to know that what kind of things you can use. If you can have that gadget in a refurbished condition, in a less price, in a pocket friendly price, then you can definitely have that brand new product in a refurbished form, or you can say in a refurbished format. But yes, the brand new product offers you 1 year warranty. There is a 1 year warranty out here along with exchange policy. But in pre-owned phones, in pre-owned gadgets, what happens? We do not get to have a warranty period along with it. Yes, mostly what happens when we buy any pre-owned gadgets from some sites, we do not get to have a warranty period. But yes, if you have a condition in it, yes, if you have a condition named or written as refurbished, certified refurbished, any of them, then you get to have 6 months warranty period along with 7 exchange policy. So you get to have these two additional benefits of having a refurbished product. If you're worried that pre-owned phones might not be good, but here you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7 exchange policy with it. Apart from that, if you talk about this refurbished products, then they are absolutely brand new, like absolutely same structure, functionally, and they provide you the same tests out there. Now let us go back to the site and check about the website once again. And we were talking at this site, that is just at click.com. Just at click.com, the name itself suggests just at a click. Yes, you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets now. This site offers you your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. Very pocket friendly rates, very great rating out there. Apart from that, you get to see a number of gadgets from your reputed and favorite brands actually. Apart from that, here it is actually a very hassle free shopping, you can say. Hassle free, like there is no rush out there because it's an online shopping site, so you can definitely have this online shopping site. COD is available on this site along with overall UAE parts. Yes, overall UAE parts की बात करें, overall UAE की बात करें या कहीं की बात करें, COD is available out here. Along with that, you get to have free shipping out there. Free shipping, that is free home delivery out here. This free shipping means that it takes approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi might take up to a week. It might vary according to another factor which I'm going to discuss. That is customizability option. This site offers you customizability option which helps us to customize our gadget. Uh, Customizability mainly includes the RAM, hard disk storage customizability, or the inbuilt internal parts if it can, like processing, it can customize, which are already customized by the company itself. So you can customize your gadget accordingly. Apart from that, money back guarantee and online support system for 27 hours is there. So you can definitely check out the website. Link is given in the description box, or you can check out Google and type justatlink.com. Apart from that, this site offers you best pricing for your gadgets. So do visit out the website for your favorite gadgets. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, and till then, bye.